Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Zaragoza, owner of Birreria Zaragoza, and I'm here today for Pilot Light Family Meal. And today we're cooking Fideos Secos. It's a recipe my mom used to make for us as kids, so here it is. Alright, so first we're going to scrape out the seeds of the squash here, get it into semi-bite-sized pieces, and do the same with the cauliflower. And what you're looking for here is just some pieces that they all roast uniformly and they're all cooking at the same time. So we're going to put our squash in a bowl, season with a little bit of salt, olive oil, and pepper. Give it a quick toss. And we're going to place it onto a prepared baking sheet. You can use wax paper. I'm using Silpat in this case. And we're going to do the same thing with the cauliflower. A little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper on the same baking sheet. And we're going to place it into an oven, preheated to 375 degrees, and roast for about a half an hour. And what you're looking for is golden brown and tender. Now we're going to make our sauce. In go the chipotles, in go the fire roasted Roma tomatoes. We're going to blend these up. Quick sauce, and then we're going to reserve it. Let's get some olive oil heated in a pan. In goes our dried pasta. We're going to just give this a toast for a couple of minutes. So you're looking to get a little bit of color and coat it in the oil here. After this, we're going to start building the rest of our dish. We're going to add our onion followed by our garlic here. And then we're going to throw in a pinch of salt just so the onion starts sweating, releasing some of the flavor and moisture into the pasta, and we're going to start building some flavors. After a couple minutes, we're going to add our tomato puree. That's just our chipotles and tomatoes. Give it a quick stir to incorporate. Looking at 3 cups of chicken stock. You can use vegetable broth if you feel more comfortable with that as well. Keep it vegetarian. We're going to keep stirring this until most of the liquid is dried off and the pasta is tender. It depends on how high heat you're using. Could be 7 to 10 minutes though. Pasta's almost cooked here. Season with some salt, some pepper, and a little bit of butter just to stir in and get some richness going in our sauce to finish. Okay, now for the fun part. We're going to add our finished cooked Fideos Secos to the plate. You can see in front of me I have some cotija cheese. You can use Parmesan if you want. I have some sour cream, some lime wedges, cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use fresh parsley or whatever herb you have in house, and some avocado. So here we're going to add our roasted veggies to the top of it. You're more than welcome to put these into the pan while everything's cooking to have a more uniform dish. I like the textural contrast there, but we're going to just garnish with some avocado for some richness here. And who doesn't love avocado? A couple of dollops of sour cream. A sprinkling of cotija cheese. And finally, some cilantro fresh cut, garnished with a lime, and that's it. Classic after-school snack my mom used to make for us. Thank you for joining me today in cooking Fideos Secos. Make sure you tag Pilot Light Chefs and my restaurant Birreria Zaragoza. Hashtag PL Family Meal. Visit the Food Education Center and click Family Resources for today's recipe and other family lessons and videos. Thanks.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs. Hashtag PL Family Meal.